Hello everyone, I Dr. Shireen Sheikh welcome one and all to my channel Teaching and Learning English. In this video, we are going to see some words and phrases related to business English. What is the one thing that you probably want when you are using English at workplace? Yes, you guessed it right. You want to sound smart and professional. So today we are going to see some words and phrases that will make you sound more intelligent, positive and more professional. We will begin with small changes in selecting words, and sometimes you see a very small change can actually bring about a big result. And that's what we are focused on today. So let's begin with some very simple words first. Now look at this sentence. This position needs a more experienced candidate. Now if you focus on the word need, could you think of some other word that can replace need and also sound a little more professional? This position requires. The word require is a better choice as compared to need in this context. Similarly, in this sentence, I have got a mail from your company. The word got is too colloquial or informal. Instead, the word got could be replaced with the word received, which sounds more formal. Now look at the sentence. I have received a mail from your company. Doesn't it sound much better? Okay, so let's see this one now. The manager tried to get in touch with the new clients, but without any success. If you note the phrase to get in touch could be conveniently replaced with a better phrase. Can you guess what it can be? Yes, you can replace it with to contact. The manager tried to contact the new clients but without any success. Definitely, this sounds better. And of course, it has got a touch of business also. Let's move ahead and see the next phrase. We need to talk about our new business policy. In this sentence, the phrase to talk about sounds too informal for a business context. Now let's look at this sentence. We need to discuss our new business policy. Doesn't that sound better and more formal? Next one. We will make sure that both the companies will benefit from this new deal. We can replace make sure by ensure. We will ensure that both the companies will benefit from this new deal. Now let us look at this sentence. Give me the details of your travel plans so that we can arrange for your transportation to and from airport. We can modify the sentence to make it sound more professional. Now look at this. Kindly provide your itinerary to make arrangements for your transportation. Now doesn't that sound better? Look at this one. Why did you cancel the deal? In business context, it's never polite to ask a direct questions like why did you cancel the deal? Sometimes you need to be more subtle, diplomatic, as well as polite while dealing with business clients. Please explain the reason for cancelling the deal. This sounds more polite and less direct. For more videos on improving your English, kindly subscribe to my channel Teaching and Learning English. Thank you.